Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking few cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So this card is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, that reading may answer your doubts or give you clarity in your circumstances. So you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Tower in reverse, Wheel of Fortune and Three of Cups in reverse. So in your circumstances today, Capricorn, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are going through a lot. There are a lot of changes happening. Maybe in your work you are changing the place of work or something is changing. Maybe people are changing. Or you yourself, you are taking up a new job, or you feel a little stressed now, anxious about the changes around you. Maybe people around you, people who work with you, are changing and you may feel a little lost or stressed because of that. You may not have your team with you, people who work with you in a very good way, people who communicate positively. So you feel a little lost or stressed because of that. But these changes are something, is happening. It may be beyond your control. So in your work or it may be in your relationship, the way things are going, maybe you wish for things to change and you are hoping that everything will change and fall into place. But these changes are something that are inevitable. You cannot avoid it. And these changes are here to bring changes in you. So some kind of an emotional change or a spiritual change is happening in you. And you no longer feel so sad or stressed. You are just watching these changes happening. And whatever happens, you have that sense of surrender in your circumstance. So if you feel this way, that is when you are going to feel amazing changes in your life. So circumstances will change very soon, Capricorn, because I see that maybe if you are seeing some difficulties in this relationship, maybe separation or some arguments, fights, whatever it is, this person is coming back. They are definitely coming back and they will realize your love and they will understand you and they will realize their mistakes and they will come back to say sorry. And this person loves you. If you are in a separation from this person you love for quite some time, it may be your past person, still they are coming back to reconcile with you and things will fall into place. Things will take a beautiful turn beautiful U-turn, you can say, just like before. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's strength in reverse. So with this card, maybe you may feel a little, you may go out of your way in welcoming this person back, or talking to them. You may talk too much or reveal too much, or this may be their energy. Maybe they are coming back, they are happy to be back with you, but the way they are speaking out of happiness, it may be some words spoken unintentionally that may hurt you. But you need to understand that behind those words, they have a true heart that is thinking of you, that loves you. So whatever words they speak, or their actions, it may look like they are trying to show off, or they are trying to boast about themselves, but in truth they are just trying to win you back, Capricorn. So that is the reason for the way they are behaving today. So let us see what is the card for your career situation. We have Two of Wands in reverse. So in your work, there is something beautiful, something good, something that is going to surprise you. Some offer or an opportunity is coming today, and you can be happy for that, guys. It is something unexpected in your work circumstances, Capricorn. So that is the energy with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So we will see what is the card for those who chose this card. It is a Crystal Spirits card, and the crystal for y'all today is amethyst, and the message with this crystal. So in your circumstances, maybe you are quite comfortable the way things are in this connection, way circumstances are going. But this crystal reminds you to see that you may have some exciting possibilities of something better in this relationship. So when you are with this person, you feel really comfortable and happy about the way things are going. Maybe just because you are used to it, you don't want to change it. But if you change the way you are in this relationship, you are going to feel much more happy. If you give up your old ways of interaction or your actions, change in your actions, that is going to bring a major change in this relationship. So even smaller things like saying thank you or I love you is going to make a difference today, make a huge difference, and it is going to be the first step towards healing. So whatever difficulties in your circumstances you may have, you are going to walk that path of healing. And just like you want to listen to this person, you want this person to listen to you. when you say something. So it may be something they are quite uncomfortable about, but you are going to say that. Just the same way, when they say something, you will feel defensive. So this may be the time you need to rethink about your situation, rethink about the way you are in this relationship, and this is the time for rediscovery, calling you to deepen the trust and intimacy you have with this person. So you need not feel shy, you just have to go forward, march on, take all their whatever complaints or whatever regrets they have in a positive mindset and change it and build more trust and build more intimacy in this relationship. That is the energy here with this crystal. And if we meditate with this crystal, it is simply going to open our minds, release all the stress we have, and release all that expectation we have in our life, expectations of what we should be doing instead of just enjoying what is there with us already. And this crystal helps us to connect with the spirit and increase our intuitive abilities. So that is the energy with this crystal. So that is the energy with this card for you all, for those who chose this card. So let us see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is brother and sister. Transformation. Such a beautiful card here. So in your circumstances today, maybe you are not listening to someone's warnings, or someone is trying to tell you something. And this card is about the energy is about finding the balance. So you may want certain things, but when you obtain it, what will be the result? Are you going to enjoy it? Are you truly happy for what you have achieved? So trying to find the balance between what you want and what is the reality. And you are being warned about something. Maybe someone close to you is telling you to avoid certain things, but you are not listening to them. That may be the reason for the consequences or for the circumstances you are facing today. So you need to be really balanced, have that balanced mindset that is going to help you today. And you may have people you need to take care of, or there are people taking care of you. So when they are advising you certain things, you must listen to them. And this card also speaks about the close relationship we share with friends and family members, and trying to understand the difference between what you want and the things that will harm you. So you must understand that, and you must wish accordingly. So the things that you wish may hurt you, so you must not wish that. That is the reason people are advising you against it. So if that is the circumstance today, you must listen to this advice. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.